Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I got a surprise for you guys, and we are gonna be making some grilled cheese sandwiches, JP style. Some of my YouTube buddies and myself are getting together and we're doing a collaboration. So we're gonna be putting out a video on how each one of us does our own special type of grilled cheese sandwiches. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how JP does his. We are gonna be making us a nice grilled cheese sandwich. Can't have a grilled cheese sandwich unless you got plenty of butter on it. So put some butter on each one of these pieces of bread. Get that started on the griddle. And man, I am about out of butter. May have to run to the store and get some. But I have enough for today. There we go. We'll get that nice and melted. Grab me a rag so I can wipe my hands. Put some of our blended cheeses in there. Here I got some smoked Gouda that I did a little while back. Diced up jalapeno, put right in it. And then also about a handful of Mexican blended cheeses. We'll get these on here. Nice and thick. Ooh man, my jalapenos are looking good in there. So, grab our bread. And you can see the cheese is just oozing out on the side. Actually, it's not oozing, it fell out to the side. JP got some bad aim. But we're gonna get this nice and toasty and melted and see how it comes out. So this grilled cheese sandwich is just about done. That butter has given it a nice little toasted golden color on it. Get this bad boy flipped over, and oh man, it just smells so good. Can't wait to bite into it. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, we are ready. Let's take it out. Put it right there. Cut into it. And oh yeah, look at the melted cheese inside. Let's take us a little bite. Woo. Can definitely taste the smoked cheese. Got me a couple of bites of that jalapeno in there, and that Mexican blended cheeses on it. It is absolutely delicious. Love it. Give me another bite. Look at that cheese. Ooh, yes sir. That's the way I like my cheese coming out. Oh man. That is good. But anyhow, this is my presentation on how I do a grilled cheese sandwich, JP style. Again, toasted bread with some nice butter on it, smoked pepper jack, Mexican blend of cheeses, and then that jalapeno on the inside. Absolutely delicious, guys. Hope you guys like my video. This is my collaboration with my YouTube buddies. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe button over there on the side, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that bell also for upcoming videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.